So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is what's our prediction for the day. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bearish move for the day. Right, I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bearish move for the day, and gold eventually did exactly what we predicted it to do. So you can see that our analysis, our prediction was absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet a subscriber and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on gold. You can clearly see that our trend on gold is on a downtrend move. Remember, you are going to be making use of this trend. You can see that this trend on gold is on a downtrend move, right? Now, take a look at this movement right here. So this is your low, right? Here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Market has now dropped to form a new lower low. So with this new lower low, we should be expecting market to do what? Go back to form a lower high. Once it forms a lower high, then expect market to drop again to form a new lower low. So above all, the bearish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. So what you should just be doing, right, for day traders, expect market to go back to at least tap your 10 period simple moving average or whatever. Then once the London session opens, you can now start looking for a sell setup that will make market to drop to form a new low. Above all, a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the day. But before you go in for the bearish move, make sure markets pulls back or which gives a lower high before you can look for a sell setup that will go ahead to take that will give us a bearish move. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on any updates. Like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.